Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to hide a Facebook post from someone. So let's get started. First of all, let's open Facebook. After, let's make a post. Under your name, you can see Only Me. Click on it. And you can choose who can see your post. For example, make it public, or specific friends only can see it. Then click on Done and Post. You can see a lock under the name. It means that this post is available only for you. You also can click on it and edit privacy. And that's it! Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you next time. Bye!